Assalamu alaikum, my dear cadet. Today's class we learn how to draw cricket pitch and a cricket field, the position of cricket pitch and position of cricket field. Okay, cricket pitch. You see, this is cricket pitch. Length of cricket pitch 22 yard. 22 yard. 66 feet or 22 yard. 22 yard or 66 feet. Okay, next. Breadth 10 feet or 8 feet 8 inches. It is 10 feet 10 feet or 8 feet 8 inches, the breadth of cricket pitch. Next one, this one. This is bowling crease. There are two bowling crease. This one and this one. Bowling crease. Okay. Bowling crease. This is bowling crease. And another on bowling crease. Bowling crease. Okay. Next, popping crease. The distance between bowling crease to popping crease only 4 feet. Only 4 feet. It is called popping crease. Popping crease. POP popping crease. And another one is return crease. There are 4 return crease. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is called a return crease. Return crease. Only 4 feet. 4 feet. Okay. Next, stamp. Cricket stamp. When 10 in the middle stamp is 5 feet. Distance between two sides 5 feet. This is 5 feet and this is 5 feet, and it is middle stump. Another 2 stump, and it is called bell. It is called bell. Bell, and height of a stump from ground 28 inches, with bell 28.5 inches. Okay. So this is cricket pitch. It is bowling crease. It is popping crease. And distance between bowling crease to popping crease only 4 feet. And it is also called return crease. Return crease. It is also called return crease. Okay. Next on cricket power play. Power play mandatory area 30 yard mandatory area. Power play area. How you would draw? You see, this is middle stump. From middle stump you go 30 yard. You go 30 yard. From middle stump 30 yard. 30 yard. Now you add then this is your center and make a half arc, make a arc. This is powerful area. It is called powerful area. Powerful area. Powerful area. Okay. Next, boundary line. Boundary line. Maybe 70 meter. Okay. Same thing. From middle stump to this area, 70 meter. This area to this area, 70 meter maybe, and from middle stump to this area, 70 meter. Same things. From this area to this area, 70 meter. From this middle stump to this area, 70 meter. Next, you add it. Same process, and your center middle stump, make a half circle, make a half circle, and it is called boundary. It is called boundary line. Boundary line. And for powerful area, mandatory area 30 yard, mandatory area 30 yard, but boundary line is not mandatory area. Okay, dear boys. Next day you draw it, then submit. I will check. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.